Alright guys, so this morning got my coffee made on matco. Got guys mowing the yard, and I got this new tool, the ultimate torque wrench preset. Let's take a look at it. Comes with instructions and all the other information. Here she is. Sweet. Matco. It's got preset of 80, 100, 120, 140, and 160. The way you set it is you pull the little handle back here and it unclips, and then you can turn it to wherever you need it. It's a good looking little torque wrench. The only concern I have is it's awfully short. I got ratchets a little bit bigger than this, a little longer. But once I set it, I'll use set at 100 foot-pounds. That's pretty much where I keep it. Let's get it to work. See what it does. So I went ahead, I had to switch over and put my 3/8 on my top drawer, and I had to put my larger Bertha down here so I can fit the foam part in here, make it look nice. Some other torque wrenches. And before I forget, there's the part number. According to the paperwork, in fact, let's take a look at that real quick. According to the paperwork, this particular, here it is, right on top, good. There's the torque specs, the minimum, the maximum, and the actual readings of each one of those. So at 160, the average reading is 161.4. 120 is right on the money pretty much, and so is 80. Fairly accurate. It was just calibrated on the 26. So, yeah. Put her back in her house. Right. Get her to work in a second. Alright, so I just set this for 100 foot-pounds for this Lexus right here. Let's get it down, let's torque it. Here we go. Perfect. Not the ratcheting part, I don't like that, but it does a good job. Nice. That's a win. Good tool. Make sure you always take the cap off when you're compressing these pistons. You don't want to blow out your master cylinder. There you go. Alright guys, so in conclusion, it's a good torque wrench. It's good for the money. It's easy to use. Recommend to buy if you're looking for a permanent torque wrench that you don't have to keep adjusting like these on and off. You just keep it at one setting, or easy to go back and forth to other settings. Stop twisting. So absolutely a buy. Thanks guys. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Have a good one guys.